Taping me?
Uh-huh.
Mom, this is our new riding lawnmower. I just wanted to show you. I'm going to turn it on. It's going to get loud and crazy.